Hey everyone, this is Lucas from Infinite Peripherals, and today we're going to be going over the Quantum Browser app itself and how to connect your website to it. So the first step to integrating your website with Quantum Browser would be to connect it within the app, and for that you're going to need to go download it from the iOS App Store. So on my device I already have it downloaded, but one thing to note would be we do abbreviate it to Q space browser. So when you're searching for it, just be sure to type that in as opposed to the full Quantum browser name. Now when you have it downloaded, go ahead and open it, and you'll see what is essentially a demo HTML page. So within this page, you'll see a bunch of functions to kind of test out device functionality and features, as well as kind of iOS specific ones. So you'll see on the top, this would be, importing from your, iOS photo album or popping up an alert, that sort of thing. And then below that would be more peripheral specific ones. So bringing up like your device info, printing to a printer, that sort of thing. Another part to take a look at is on the bottom you'll see this button that says show and hide demo output. And so when you scan barcodes or swipe cards, the information that's read will basically go down here. So you'll see when I scan a couple barcodes, all of that is shown in the output section, and then you can kind of just show and hide it. So to connect your website to the app, go to the top and you'll see a button that says connect your application right here. So when you click that, you'll see a kind of like a connection page, and what you're going to want to do is type in your website's URL into this URL field. I'm going to go ahead and paste in just kind of like a demo. And once you're ready to give this a go, go ahead and press connect, and the browser will connect and navigate towards your website. So right here, this is just the hello world kind of like dummy HTML that I put in there. One thing to note is this radio button right here that says set as default URL. Essentially what that's going to do is when I have this ticked and I press connect, every time that I open the application after this, it will automatically navigate to that default URL instead of the kind of like demo HTML page. So you'll see when I close the application and reopen it, it goes straight to that URL that I gave it. And so, once you're done testing out your website and it's working with Quantum Browser, you can do this to kind of save you some time. You won't have to type out your URL every time. It'll just open straight to your web application, and you can go from there. Now, for whatever reason, if you want to change this, or if you want to kind of play around with the demo HTML page again, all you got to do is go down to the application settings, and within that you'll see a URL field. So if I just change this, or erase it, so right now it's blank, when I open the application you'll see it goes straight to the old demo HTML page. So that is how to connect your website with the Quantum Browser app. Now this is kind of the first step to getting up and running with Quantum Browser. So in the following videos we'll go over how to add the library to your code and kind of use some functions for some of the more common workflows like barcode scanning, reading mag stripes, using the settings, that sort of thing. So be sure to stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.